D-Town, West Side, yeah, I said it, West Side. But they yelling big so much that you with all this best style. You are now fucking with the newest nigga, best style. Go on, roll that weed, nigga. Why? Cause I'm stressed out. LV checked out, bad bitch, chest out. No wonder why Mrs. Right just keeps on getting left out. Oh well, that's everything, I'm not concerning. I'm on the top floor getting brains, higher learning, getting higher earnings.
Hey guys, this is iPod Touch Tech Pro here, and today my video is going to be on how to run Windows and Mac and Android on your iOS, iPhone, iPod, or iPad. Now, the Android that I use, the ones that I'm going to be showing you right now, they are more like themes, since bootlace, which is how most people get Android, doesn't work on 4.3.3. I use it this way. I'm not sure how other people use it. This way works fine for me, so I'm going to show you guys how to get it. Alrighty, so first you are going to want to go to Cydia. So you do need a jailbroken iPod. You are going to want to go to Cydia Sources. The first source you are going to want to get is Insanely I repository, which is repo.insanelyi.com. I will have that in the description. And the second source you need is right there, the Exilize source, the one that my mouse is over right now, which is cydia.exilize.com. That will also be in the description. Alright guys, and once you have that, you can either go to the search, or you can go into the Insanely I repository. I am going to go to the search. What you want to do is type in Dreamboard, and you will get this one. The icon will say I Dreamboard. See, Insanely I. You will click install and confirm, and install that. So you can get the themes from Cydia. Just type in Dreamboard again, and there will be other themes like iSky theme, iNav HD, Rain theme. Alrighty, but now I'm going to show you how to get Windows, and Windows will be this one right here, Arrow, and you're going to use the themes. You're going to get all the themes from the Exilize source, and you're going to get Dreamboard from the Insanely I repo source. Alright, so Arrow is the Windows. I think it's Windows 7 that it uses. Alright, so if you guys want that, you will you will install and confirm that. And for the Mac, Snow Leopard Ultimate. Alright, so now if you guys want Mac, this is Mac OS X Snow Leopard. Alright, so you will just install and confirm that. And once those are all installed, you should, in Dreamboard, which looks like this, if you open it, you should now have your default Arrow, which is the Windows 7, Android, and Snow Leopard. Now you don't need to download Android, it is automatically in there. And now I'm going to show you guys them, a little quick thing on them. Alright, now my iPod does have a lot of stuff on here, so this might actually end up respringing and putting it into safe mode, in which in that case I'm going to pause the video right now, and I'll come back when it's all good. Alright guys? Okay, so this is the Arrow theme, which is Windows 7, and these themes are different from other ones because everything works in them. You got the App Store. If you click on the App Store thing, if you click on Cydia, it opens Cydia. And they all just work. computer opens up all this, you can open up your apps, and boom, you have all your apps. Alright? That's what I like about it. Everything works. You got Safari down here. I'm on my iPod, so this phone opens up FaceTime. If you're on an iPhone, it would open up your contacts list and everything. This little media player, that doesn't do anything. I like this little thing here. If you click right here, this little see-through square here, it brings up all these. You have YouTube, and you just use these little side buttons to switch through them all. You got your YouTube, PayPal, Installus. I think that's kind of cool. And you have the Dream Store. Again, the Dream Store has been working, so you guys can try it. If it works for you, that's great. Alright, now to get back to Dreamboard, you're going to want to exit out of this. Alright, and if you click on this, as you can see, you got Live Mail, Winterboard, Facebook, Twitter, Live Messages, and iFile. And to get back to Dreamboard, you're just going to hit log off. Okay, now to show you Snow Leopard. Alright guys, and this is the Mac OS X Snow Leopard. Macintosh HD. Opens up all your apps. Cydia, again, opens Cydia. Phone opens FaceTime for me. And that last thing that I showed you on the Windows 7 themes with YouTube and all that, this is kind of like it. It's this little thing right here, and it has weather, YouTube, App Store, and iCalendar. You got Safari, you got your mail, and if you just exit out of this, you have, I believe, Finder. Doesn't open up anything. Yeah, that doesn't open up anything. Alright, if you click on these, you got Finder, and this is Game Center, iTunes, Maps, File, I believe is Camera, Compass, and Stocks, and Edit is Notes, Voice Memos, and Contacts. Alright, and then in the Apple, you also have System Preferences, which I don't believe does anything. Oh, it does? I think it opens up your settings then. Yep, System Preferences will open up your settings. Winterboard and Logout doesn't do anything, unlike the Windows 7 theme. So to log out of this, what you guys gotta do is you gotta click on Macintosh HD. Click on Dreamboard. And now I'm gonna show you the Android. Let's hope this doesn't crash on me. Alright. And this one's pretty cool. As you can see, all these work. You have your little web widget. Alright. And everything works fine. Now, what you can do in it is, alright, this little arrow button down here, click on that, brings up all your apps. You got all of them. Alright. You start off with these ones right here. These 5 at the bottom. You don't have Can Knock Down, obviously. And then you also have all these to begin with. Alright guys, and you don't have this background. Now I'm going to show you some of the editing that you can do with it. Animated weather is this. I'm going to show you that right now. You guys see like these clouds coming through and everything. Oh. You can see like these clouds and everything coming through. Let me change my thing, maybe it will. Oh, I think I typed that in wrong. Nope, alright, good. No. It's still cloudy. Alright, but yeah, you guys can see that cloud. That's what animated weather is. editing mode, it will do all this. And what you can do is you can click on an empty space, or you can also click on one that already has an app on it, and you can just change the app. And now I can put camera there. Alright, I'm going to turn off both of these. See, now you don't have the clouds rolling through. Alright, wallpaper, you can change your wallpaper. I believe you have this one to start out with. And you can change your web widget, and your web widget is this. I'm going to leave it on Twitter, because as you know, Twitter, I use my Twitter. That's what I always use. Alright guys, and then just to go back to Dreamboard, you hit the little Dreamboard button in the center. Okay guys, and that is how you get Arrow, Windows 7, Android, and Snow Leopard Mac OS X. Alright guys, this is iPod Touch Tech Pro. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And I would just like to say, for those of you that watched my 5.0 bypass thing, I am sorry again. I would like to say I am sorry. And when I did try to do it again, it won't let me download iOS 5.0 Beta 3. It's been saying something's wrong with it. So, yep, sorry about that guys. I will not be making another video on that. I honestly didn't like Beta 3. It did have a lot of cool things, but not everything was working properly. So right now, I'm saying it's best for you to stay on 4.3.3. And even though 4.3.4 is out, Comex on Twitter, I don't remember all of it, but if you do upgrade to 4.3.4, what you should do is back up your SHSH blob, and I will show you guys how to do that in my next video, which I will actually start making right now, I guess. Alright guys, so yep, follow me on Twitter, check out my sites, and thank you. I hope you have a fun time doing this.